This is the American Estate Planning Series, and in this video, we'll explain how trust funding works under Florida law so you can make informed decisions before speaking with a qualified Florida estate planning attorney. Creating a revocable living trust is only the first step. For the trust to function as intended, it must be properly funded. Trust funding simply means transferring ownership of your assets from your individual name into the name of your trust. Many people believe that signing the trust document alone avoids probate. That's just not the case. If assets remain titled in your individual name at death, those assets may still require probate even if you have a valid trust in place. The effectiveness of a revocable living trust depends largely on whether it has been properly funded. In Florida, funding typically involves retitling assets such as brokerage accounts, non-retirement investment accounts, and in some cases, real estate, into the name of the trust. For example, instead of owning an account as John Smith, the account might be retitled to John Smith, trustee of the John Smith Revocable Trust, dated January 1st, 2026. Real estate transfers require careful attention. Deeds must be properly prepared and recorded to transfer property into the trust while preserving important protections such as Florida homestead status when applicable. Improperly transferring homestead property can unintentionally affect creditor protections or constitutional restrictions, so this step should be handled carefully. Some assets are not typically retitled into a revocable trust. Retirement accounts such as IRAs and 401ks usually remain in your individual name with beneficiary designations coordinated with your overall estate plan. Life insurance policies are also often handled through beneficiary designations rather than retitling ownership to the trust, depending upon planning goals. Bank accounts may be retitled into the trust or in some cases structured with payable on death designations that coordinate with the trust. The appropriate approach depends on the overall plan. It's also important to understand that trust funding is not a one-time event. As you acquire new assets, open new accounts, refinance property, or change financial institutions, those assets must be reviewed to ensure they are properly aligned with your trust-based plan. Failure to maintain funding over time can defeat the purpose of creating the trust. Most trust-based plans also include what's called a pour-over will. This type of will directs that any assets still in your individual name at death be transferred into your trust through probate. While this provides a safety net, it does not eliminate probate for those assets. Proper funding during lifetime is what minimizes probate exposure. Trust funding is the practical implementation step of a trust-based estate plan. Without it, the trust is simply a document. With proper funding, it becomes an effective administrative tool. This has been the American Estate Planning Series. For additional Florida resources, visit epseries.com/Florida. And as always, consider speaking with a qualified Florida estate planning attorney about your specific situation.